beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's so great to be back. I was a little bit down with flus and stuff, but I'm back. As you can hear from my voice, I might sound a little bit different. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to try to do this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So I know I've done my brows off camera and I did my brows before foundation. I know this is totally not me, but for today's video I just had to go with it. And I'm gonna use this palette from Glamour Cosmetics. It's Bright Please, and that's how it looks. As you can see, I've used like quite a lot of it, and I love this palette because it has a mirror. And I'm also going to mix with the Sunset palettes that they sent me. This is how the Sunset palette looks like. It's very nice. It has like a lot of variety of shades. And I think I'm going to use some nudes from this palette. But most of it I'm going to go with the Bright Please palette. I'm going to go with this Sunset palette. The only thing I don't like about this palette is the mirror. I wish there was a mirror. So I'm gonna go with this shade here in the corner just to prime my eyelid. I want like a natural and I'm using my Roll Technique creasing brush just to apply it all over my crease. As you can see, it's almost like my skin tone and gives it that nice natural brownish color. I hardly wear natural eyes, and you guys know when my natural might be not your natural because my middle name is extra extra. And I'm gonna use a Bright Please palette. I'm gonna go with this burgundy. I'm gonna go with that burgundy color. And this Bright Please palette is like a creamy, it's not powdery and it's not so glittery. It's like a cream base eyeshadow, and I really love it. So I'm just gonna apply this one lightly here on my creasing area. I'm using the same burgundy color. It's like a red maroonish type of color, and then I'm also just gonna drag it a little bit, not totally on my lower lid, but just this right here underneath. And then I'm gonna go with this copper right here in the corner. Ooh, look how beautiful that color is. Gosh, it's super beautiful. And if you can also use your finger, if you feel comfortable using your finger, it just blends in nicely, but I just don't want to mess my hands right now. Valentine's look, each one wears different look. I mean, there's no like specific look that this must be for Valentine, or this is romantic, or this bright colors can be romantic, nude color can be romantic, in between is romantic. Whatever you feel that makes you beautiful. So I'm just going to put it also in the inner corner as well, just make it a little bit bright. And I'm going to go back with this red one here, just in between the brown and the copper color, just to emphasize the red. Because I feel like Valentine is about that red color. Go with the same red one, the red color, pinch it nicely and put it on my lower lashes. I'm just gonna go with the black one, this one here. Just pop it here because I feel like when you put black eyeshadow just in the corner, outer corner of your crease, it just emphasizes, it brings out that color in the middle. Go and apply it here in my inner corner, just to brighten that area. Volume Plus, and it's also from Glamour Cosmetics. And I'm just going to put it on my lower lashes. I'm going to go with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. It's in the shade 5N Deep, and my foundation is in the shade Rich Chestnut. I'm just not gonna go crazy. Just to blend it all up. And you guys know this is my favorite. I'm gonna go with this banana powder. It's a really messy. It's just. I'm gonna go with this banana powder. And I'm gonna go with the Hint Cosmetic modeling palette to contour my face. And then I'm going to go with Juliet's. I'm obsessed with Juliet's. This is from Gosh Cosmetic. It's lip oil. I just want to get a bit of shine. And to finish up, I'm going to go with the Hint Cosmetic spray. I hope you guys have enjoyed it really. And this is my Valentine's looks, and I mean, you guys try whatever you're gonna try and tag me, and if you're gonna recreate this look, even this hairstyle, please tag me. And I use all this amazing product from Glamour Cosmetics. I'm gonna put the links down below so you can go and grab your whatever that you like that I've used here that you want to purchase, and you can get 20% off. I had to ring that up, like really. If you use the code Nella, you get 20% off. That's massive. I've seen some beauty companies that give you 10% off, 20% off. I will like. Anyway, yeah. Let me know if you guys enjoy my African Valentine look. As always, I'm gonna sing the song again. Please share the video if you can. Like, if you haven't subscribed to my channels, please subscribe and one of the Nella Beauties. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. You guys know I appreciate you for watching, and I love you so much, so very much. I wouldn't be doing this if it was not for you. And the constant love and support and positive feedback really just motivates me to just sit right here and create some other looks. And what you guys want me to try in the future, please leave a comment down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye. I love ya.